Hi friends, today we're going to talk about multiplying tens, hundreds, and thousands. The first problem, I'm going to work it out, and then what I really want you to start looking for is patterns. So our first starting is 2 times 5. So we know that's two groups of 5 ones. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and we know that that is 10. Okay, so now our next one is 2 times 50. So I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And what I'm going to notice is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 tens, and that gives me 100. Okay, I'm going to use different colors here to help you see the pattern. Okay, so the next one, 2 times 5, 2 times 50, 2 times 500. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So then when we look at this together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means this changes to 1,000. And let's look what it looks like in numbers. So now we have 1,000. Okay, so are you noticing what's happening? As we add a 0 here, the answer just adds a 0. So we notice a pattern. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 50 is 100, 2 times 500 is 1,000. So let's practice it with another one. So this is what it looks like with pictures. We're going to just do it without pictures now. So we're going to do 3 times 8. So 3 times 8, oops, sorry, just a minute, is 24. Okay, so noticing our pattern. So now we're going to do 3 times, 80. Okay, so this is what I want you to think. You already know what 3 times 8 is. You know that it's 24. You just add on how many zeros are at the end. All right, so now we did 3 times 8, 3 times 80, 3 times 800. Same trick works. You know that multiplication fact, you answer it. How many zeros are left over? 2. So it's no 0, 1 0, 2 zeros, and then let's try our last one. 3 times 8,000. Same trick. You're going to box it up. Is 24. Add 3 zeros. Okay, so what you're going to do right here, using this trick right here, what I want you to do is I want you to practice these next problems on your own, and when you come to class, be ready to show us your answers. I want to see the boxing up too when you come to class. So let's do 6 times 2, 6 times 20, 6 times 200, and 6 times 2,000. And then your next one is going to be 4 times 5. 4 times 5, 4 times 50, 4 times 500, 4 times 5,000. Because really, if you know this fact, you know all of the rest of them, because all you're doing is adding zeros. So that's the pattern that I want you to see. This is what it looks like if we have to draw it all out. But we really want to start to be faster with when we're doing our math, that we can start to look for patterns, and it's going to help us out. Remember to have these two problems done when you come to class tomorrow.